Question 5. There are 9 graphs as shown here, labelled A through I. And the question is asking you to write down the letter of the graph that matches the equation y equals cos x. And the second part is write down the letter of the graph that matches the equation y equals 4x squared. Now there's a couple of these graphs that you wouldn't be expected to know the equations of. A and H are two that you definitely wouldn't see in IGCSE. So a clue, if it's a graph that you've never seen before, it's probably not going to be one that's relevant. As far as B goes, B is a sine graph. So your typical sine wave between 0 and 360 would look like that. Basically what they've done is they've only shown part of it here and then extended like so. So sine x is that one, which is not one we're looking for. This graph here is a negative reciprocal graph, so negative any number over x. So whether or not it's a 1 or a 2 or a k, whatever, that's that graph here. D is a k over x squared, a positive k over x squared. E is an exponential graph of the form a to the power of x. F is a quadratic, so y equals x squared. G is a normal reciprocal. Yep, so this one here is the negative of a normal reciprocal. This here is just a reciprocal. And I is a cos wave. If we draw a cos wave, it starts at 1, goes down to -1 and up to 1 again. What we have here in this graph is this part of it being shown here in red. And then the other part, which would be if we continue like so. So our cos wave is the letter I. And for this one, we have a reciprocal with a squared on the bottom. That here is D, where k is 4.